contacting Pandabuy agent is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can contact Pandabuy agent. So the process is pretty simple. As you guys can see, I'm at the Pandabuy's home website. Now here I'm logged into my account. After that, you have to click on your profile, and then you have to go to your user center. It will take you to this page. Now here you have to click on this message, and as you guys can see, you have not received any message. This is where you will receive the message. So I'm going to tell you how to send them. Sending them is pretty easy. You just need to scroll down, and here you have to click on this contact us, and here you will be able to see two options. So the first one is you can either talk to the robot, and as you guys can see, you can try to talk to the robot, and most probably it will solve the problem. But if you want to contact any of the agent, you have to simply email them at this email, and they will reply you shortly, or they might direct message you on your Pandabuy. For that, you have to be at this message section you will see right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can contact Pandabuy agent. Hope you guys find this video helpful.